From the depths of the earth, God stirs the first whispers of creation, fire shaping the promise of life. He breathes over the waters, and the sea rises to meet his voice, carrying his rhythm in every tide. In the deep, his life stirs and swims, every creature a reflection of his imagination. On land, he brings forth growth, quiet and steady, reaching toward his light. And over it all, his presence stands firm, from the rising mountains to the farthest horizon. God, the fire, the water, the breath, the source of life. You are supreme, everlasting Father, Prince of Peace, living water, Emmanuel, the source of life, the one who has made all things, my holy master and high mountain, O Prince of Peace, my holy master, my holy master, high mountain and high mountain, O Prince of Peace. Eku haku